Hi guys, welcome back to your channel Wealthwise. As promised earlier in our previous video, we have come up with our Rakhi special edition video. As we all know, a brother and sister's bond is constant no matter how much they fight, but the love and the bond between them always grows day by day. And when it comes to stock market, it has a similar relationship with its investor. No matter how much it goes with ups and downs, but the mere patience gives good rewards in the long term. On this note, today we are sharing 5 good stocks that has outgrown itself in the past 5 years and will steadily grow with fixed returns in the future as well. But before that, do not forget to like, share and comment on our video and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's have the look at the stocks with long-term capital appreciation. If we look at the Tata Steel, which has given an almost return of 92%, that goes to average of 18% per year. Well, whereas the Tata Power has given return of almost 198%, that is 200%, and on an average of 40% return per year. This all stocks that we have selected and which we are showcasing are very steady, sustainable stocks with long-term appreciation. Because if we look at them from the sector-wise scenario, where Tata Power is into power generation and transmission, as you all know that the government is having its goals of reducing the carbon footprint in the coming years. Tata Power is gonna play a major role in that. Deepak Fertilizer, as we all live in the farmer's own country, it has a major plans into fertilization segment and it has Capex of almost 4k crores. Well, we all know any occasion is incomplete without the sweets. So Sri Renuka Sugar, first company to get packaged sugar in the market, and also it's playing a big role in the ethanol play. Well, the most steady and the safe bet, that is Wipro. It is also one of the nifty IT company and it has given a return of 98% in the past 5 years. And Tata Steel, as we all know, steel is used in our day-to-day constructions, activities and everywhere. So all the stocks are very steady and sustainable, and we are sure that it is gonna give a long-term capital appreciation. So guys, let's collaborate and grow together. Please follow us on our YouTube channel, Telegram and WhatsApp. Please do not forget to press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel Wealthwise. So to all brothers, please go out and gift the stocks to your sisters who are awaiting for your most precious gifts. Stay tuned. Thank you.